Hello and welcome to Tots and Moms. I'm Kavita and today's recipe which we are making here is mashed vegetable rice. It's an easy recipe again, and this is to show you how to introduce textures to baby. Once you start solids, initially you will introduce purees in traditional weaning format, and then slowly you will add on other foods, vegetables, cereals, and by 7 or 8 months it is good to introduce textures to babies, and this one is a simple Indian way of doing that. So let's dive right in and see how to make it. In a pressure pan, I am taking around 2 tablespoons of rice. You can take any millets of your choice because by 8 months it's good to introduce millets. And now I am adding vegetables. Any vegetable of your choice which your family regularly has. I am using carrot, peas, beans chopped, and potato. Add just a little water required to cook this. We'll cook it for about 3 whistles. Once done, release the pressure, and then we'll just have to mash it with the help of a ladle or from back of a spoon, and then it's ready to be served. It would look like this. I would add in ghee and little spice to enhance the flavor for an 8-month-old baby who's already eating solids. So this is a bit of pepper powder. You can add cumin powder, mix, and it's ready to be served. So this is how our mashed vegetable rice looks like. It is a great way of introducing textures, as I already told. If you are making dal and rice for family, you can just pick both of it, mash and serve your baby as well. I have few recommendations. You can check our article and video introducing solids to babies, 6 months baby food chart, puree collection for babies, and porridges recipe collection for babies. There are more travel friendly instant foods, etc. So have a look at our blog totsandmoms.com, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel because we keep coming up with a lot of baby and kid friendly recipes here. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.